We are going to study about volcanoes, chapter number 4. Turn your textbook page 23. Now volcanic activity. A volcano is actually a vent or an opening in the earth's crust through which lava, rock fragments, ash, steam and other gases erupt at the surface. Okay. The solid material or molten material accumulates around the vent, forming a cone. There is a vent of circular shape almost in the central part of the cone. This vent is called a volcanic vent or volcanic mouth, which is connected with the interior part of the earth by a narrow pipe called a volcanic pipe. Okay. The enlarged form of the volcanic vent is known as volcanic crater and caldera. Volcano kan ti chuan kan hrebek awm volcano awmzia chu tlang kang kan ti hi ni a tlang kang hianin lava lung rock fragments kan tiang chi te vap ash kan tiang chi te tui hu steam le gas te aron pu chuak thin ni solid material le molten material te kha tlang kang ron in siam na khan in chek kholin kon an siam thina kon lai taka khanin kwa vent kan ti aka abialin om thina chu volcanic vent emo volcanic mouth ti in an vo ani leichung ril kha pipe te takte in azuk po a chu volcanic pipe ti in an vo a tlang kangena asiam lei ko zau pui te hi volcanic crater emo caldera emo antibok thin ani. Now classification of volcanoes on the basis of period of eruption. Number 1. Active volcanoes. They are those volcanoes which constantly eject volcanic lavas, gases, ashes, and rock fragments. It is estimated that there are about more than 500 volcanoes in the world. Etna and Stromboli of the Mediterranean Sea are the most significant examples of this category. Okay. Active volcano kan ti hi tlang kang chatlak om lava gas ash kan ti te le rock fragment phu chuak char chi ang hi ani a active volcanoes kan ti hi khovela zanga ayatam a om thin ni active volcanoes kan tiang chi hi chuan Etna le Stromboli Mediterranean Sea mi Stromboli kan ti te hi active volcanoes tlang kang kan tiang chi kha mo ka tiang kha an ni ni. Number 2, dormant volcanoes. They are sometimes called sleeping volcanoes. They are those which become quiet after their eruptions for some time and there are no indication of future eruptions, but suddenly they erupt very violent and cause enormous damage. Okay. Vesuvius volcano is the best example of these volcanoes, which erupt first in 79 AD, then it kept quiet up to 1631 AD, when it suddenly exploded with great force. Okay. Dormant volcanoes kan ti hi achang chuan sleeping volcanoes ti in an ko thina hetiang tlang kang hi chu thil tam taka phu chuan huwa re wang atop to do na mon le aron lang to do no mon le ti nuwa voi le khata aron lang chole phut thina thil ti chiat anga hle thina ni example tan chuan Vesuvius volcano kan ti ang chi te ni a AD 79 a tlang kang aron oma chuan are wang no AD sangkhat zaruk somthum pakata khani ron lang chuak le chawani. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. They are also known as dead volcanoes. They are considered extinct because there are no indication of future eruption. The crater is filled up with water and lakes are formed. It may be pointed out that many a time a volcano thought to be extinct may suddenly become active. It has happened in the case of Vesuvius and the Krakatoa volcanoes, which were thought to be extinct, suddenly become active in recent times. Okay. Extinct volcanoes le dormant volcanoes hi a in hnai hle a extinct volcanoes hi dead volcanoes ti in an wa boka tlang kang lo thleng tur in chamlok om ngai lawa volcanic crater kan ti te kha tuin a khat veka lake a insiam thini khatiang a rei tak tlang kang kha amit nuwa khanin voile khata khanin aron lang chuak le thut thina ni entirna na Vesuvius kan tiang chi te Krakatoa volcanoes kan tiang chi te hi extinct volcanoes kan ti chu ni. Now types of volcanic material. The materials derived from a volcanic eruption are liquid, solid and gases in nature. Okay. Tlang kangina aron pu chua. Materials aron erupt akha liquid, solid le gas a thenani a. Number 1, liquids. They include magma and lava. Generally, molten rock materials are called magmas when below the earth's crust, when they are called lavas when they come at the earth's surface. The temperature of freshly ejected lava may range between 600 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius. Usually, the movement of lava is very slow and even a speed of 15 km per hour is rarely achieved. Okay? But sometimes the speed may be as high as 80 km per hour. Tlang kangin aron phu chua tihi kan soi tong khanin chi sang sang pathuman thena liquid kan ti te solid le gases a liquid pakhat na chuan liquid in a huam ti chu magma le lava ten ni a atlang puin molten rock materials te hi le chung rila magma an ti a earth surface a lava ti in wa thene tlang kangin lava aron phu chua tir hian asa ema temperature hi 600 degrees Celsius atanga 1200 degrees Celsius te ani thina ni dan tlang pui thu in lava hi achemuang ema a speed hi dar kar khata kilometer som panga vel ani a achang chuan a speed hi dar kar khata 80 kilometer a sang te po ani ve the ni dar kar khata mo. Number 2, solids. Mostly the lava in the vertical passage gets solidified. At the next volcanic eruption through the pipe, this solidified lava in the form of blocks is thrown out. The solid material consists of fine ash and dust particles and fragments of lava rocks blown up from within the vent. Okay. Solid materials kan ti te chu tlang kangina aron phu chua solid materials kan ti te chu ash te dust particles le rock fragments te an ni a ven atang aron ir chuak thina ni ven heta a omja kan sai to kha ma in. Now number 3, gases. The gaseous substances are mainly composed of steam and products like hydraulic acid, ammonium chloride, sulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Gaseous substance kan ti te chu steam te tin chumi ba ka chuan hydrochloric acid, ammonium chloride, sulfur dioxide kan tiang chi te hydrogen sulfide te le hydrogen le carbon dioxide te hen ni a heng te hi tlang kangin aron pho chua thin gas te an ni. Now causes of volcanic activity. Some of the causes of volcanic activity are conversion of rocks from solid to molten states. In the deeper layers of the earth's crust, rocks are converted to molten states of magma due to high temperature inside the earth. Le chungril asadlu tu ka wang khanin le chungril tak taka rocks kan ti ang chi te kha molten state liquid state cha khanin an inlet thina ni temperature sana wangin. Number 2, earthquakes. The earthquakes are responsible for crustal dislocations giving rise to the formation of faults. The release of pressure upon the earth's interior under such dislocation causes the magma to escape to the surface. Ke nei chungril khatianga asatlu to ka wanga in siam lemna awang khanin earthquakes lir hing kan tiang chi kha lo thleng bok theni. Now number 3, high temperature in the interior of the earth. There is gradual increase of temperature with increasing depth at the rate of 1 degree Celsius per 32 meter due to heat generated from the disintegration of radioactive elements deep within the earth. Le chung ril kilometer somthum panhi dan zela khanin temperature ka 1 degree Celsius zel khanin ain thak danglam ve a le chung ril temperature ka asan tu ka wang khanin ani bokani. Now number 4, gases and vapor. Due to high temperature, the water inside the earth is converted into steam and gases. So wherever there is crustal weakness, it escapes out. Ke le chung ril temperature asang kan ti to kha meter somthum panhi dan zela 1 degree Celsius in asang zel kan ti to kha le chung ril khan temperature kha le chung ril temperature san to ka wang khan water kan ti te po kha vapor le gas khanin an inlet chinani. That's all for today.